Welcome to the Networking Shorts. IP address stands for Internet Protocol Address. It is of 4 bytes 32 bits. In networking world, every device connected in a network should have a unique IP address. Same IP can be used in a different network but not in the same network. IP address is of two types: private IP and public IP. Private IP is what we use in a local area network. When you use a router for your LAN, it will give you a private IP. The range for the private IP are defined. You can see when we connect to home router, it gives us a private IP. Public IP is what we use to work on internet. When we request any data from the internet, our IP should be unique so that reply from the internet reaches to the correct destination. Public IP is provided by the ISP. As you can see when we connect to the mobile network, our internet service provider gives us a public IP. And it is different on the internet again, because ISP uses NAT and PAT on the internet for better services. As you know, there are lots of devices in the world connecting to the network. To fulfill request of everyone, IPv6 is introduced. IPv6 is of 128-bit, that is 16 bytes. It has more address space than IPv4 so that everyone gets a unique IP to work on internet. Follow Networking Shorts for more tech explanations and subscribe on YouTube for more updates.